depth, with a P.
Good.
Depth. Ready to join me on a fashion shoot today? Let's do it. All right, so I've got probably 15 minutes max to do a little fashion shoot with Paige here. And so we've got this really killer outfit. We're in a warehouse. It's absolutely beautiful in here. Well, I guess beauty's all relative, but it is kind of this grungy, dilapidated environment. And what I want to do is get just an awesome portrait, but I need depth in the background. So we're going to use two lights. I'm using the Westcott L60B continuous lighting system. So I've got two lights set up, and we're going to use those, and we've got light modifiers. So let's get to it. Let's have some fun. All right, so the one thing I love about these lights is I can adjust color temperature. So I just turned this down to 2700 Kelvin. It's firing this just yellow light in the background, and then we're hitting her with 5500. So we can add some depth, not only through light, but add depth through color, and I think it's gonna look really good. Yes, so I've just been told that the word depth was not coming out of my mouth correctly. That is because it is probably in the 30s in here. We are freezing to death because we've been filming in here all day getting some killer content. But yes, so it gives us some depth, with a P.
Good.
Depth. All right, so that was a wrap. The coolest shot I think I got, I'm only looking back at camera, is where we changed color temperatures on the lights, and that just goes to show you that's one of the reasons I like working with continuous lights, because what you see is what you get. And so we had the main light at 5500 Kelvin, and we had that backlight at, I think I even went down to 2700 Kelvin, and it just gave it that warm glow. And then what I did was, in the beginning, I was firing it into the background to give us depth. We had trouble with that word. And then we turned it into camera, and man, that just changed the look and feel of everything. So if you guys like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our channel, but let us know down in the comments. Let me know which one was your favorite. We'll see you in the next video.